Hello students of class 9, this is Advanced Mathematics exercise 5.2. Today I will start from question number 7. This is your exercise 5.2, question number 7. If a comma b greater than 0 and a greater than b, so that a to the power a, b to the power b greater than a to the power b, b to the power a. If a b greater than 0 and a greater than b, so that a to the power a, b to the power b greater than a to the power b and b to the power a. So in here you see, since a comma b greater than 0 and a greater than b, so therefore a minus b will be greater than 0. Okay, a minus b will be greater than 0. Next again, you see, since a greater than b, so therefore a to the power a minus b will be greater than b to the power a minus b. Okay, since a greater than b, so therefore a to the power a minus b greater than b to the power a minus b. So this one I can write it as a to the power a by a to the power b greater than b to the power a by b to the power b. Now if I do cross multiplication, a to the power a, b to the power b greater than a to the power b, b to the power a, and this is our proved. Okay, so since ab greater than 0, okay, ab greater than 0 and a greater than b, therefore a minus b will be greater than 0. Again, since a greater than b, therefore a to the power a minus b will be greater than b to the power a minus b. This one I can write it as in this way, and this one I can write it as in this way. If I do cross multiplication, I will get a to the power a into b to the power b greater than a to the power b into b to the power a, and this is our proved. Next you see, I will go to question number 8 I will go. Okay, next I will go to question number 8. Question number 8 you see, question number 8, which is greater, okay, which is greater, 3ab square or a cube plus twice b cube, a comma b greater than 0, a not equals to b. Okay, so now in here solution, which is greater, this or this? So first of all I will take it in this way, 3ab square minus a cube plus twice b cube. I will solve it. If I can show that this is greater than 0, that means this is greater than this, and if I get that this is less than 0, then this will be less than this. Okay, so therefore is equals to, this one I will get 3ab square minus a cube minus 2b cube. Okay, so this one you see, I can write it as ab square plus twice ab square minus a cube minus 2b cube. Okay, so now this one and this one I will write together. ab square minus a cube plus 2ab square minus 2b cube. From here I will take a common. I will get b square minus a square plus 2b square common. I will get a minus b uh, uh, a minus b I will get. Okay, so now this one, if I break it in formula, I will get b minus a, b plus a plus 2b square a minus b. Okay, so this thing, from here I will take minus common. Okay, minus a, I will get a minus b. This one I will write a plus b plus 2b square a minus b. Okay, and this one I can write it as in this way: 2b cube a minus b minus a minus b, a plus b. Okay, now next what I will do, I will take a minus b common. Okay, I will take a minus b common. So this is your a minus b common. So I will get 2b cube minus a plus b. Okay, so 2b cube minus a minus okay. So now in here you see a minus b, this one 2b cube there, 2b cube, so 2b cube minus a square minus ab. Okay, so this one oh sorry, this is 2b square, this is 2b square. Okay, 2b square. Now a minus b, this is b square plus b square minus a square minus ab. So a minus b, this one I can write it as b square minus a square plus b square minus ab. So a minus b, this one I will get b minus a, b plus a, and from here if I take b common, b minus a I will get. Okay, now again this is a minus b. From here again I can take b minus a common. Okay, so now I will get a plus b plus b. So in here from here if I take again a common, minus common, this is a minus b, this will be a minus b, and this will be a plus twice b. Okay, a plus twice b. So now you see, let me write it one more time, is equals to, I got minus a minus b, a minus b, a plus twice b, So this is minus a minus b the whole square, a plus twice b. Okay. So this one I got. So in here you see this is negative there. A minus b the whole square, this will be positive. A plus twice b, this will be also positive. But as it is a negative sign there, so that means it will become less than 0. So therefore I can say that 3ab square minus a cube plus twice b cube less than 0. So 3ab square less than a cube plus twice b cube. Okay. So therefore I can say that a cube plus twice b cube is greater than 3ab square. Okay. So let me one time again let me tell you what I have done here. So this is, I have to say which is greater, this or this. So therefore I will take it in this way, the 3ab square minus a cube plus twice b minus inside I will put, okay. And now 3ab square I can write as ab square plus twice ab square minus a cube minus twice b cube. So this one ab square minus a cube plus twice ab square minus twice b cube. From here I will, from these two I will take a common, and from here I will take 2b square common. So this one a square minus b square, b minus a into b plus a plus twice b square a minus b. I will take minus common, then I will get a minus b. B minus a it was, I will get a minus b. So minus a minus b, a plus b plus twice b square a minus b. From these two I will take a minus b common. This same thing, only this same thing I can write it in this way, that twice b square a minus b minus a minus b, a plus b. Now from here I will take a minus b common. So I will get twice b square minus a plus b. Now minus a I will multiply it, I will get a minus b twice b square minus a minus ab. So twice b square I can write as b square plus b square minus a square minus ab. So b square minus a square plus this one b square minus ab. So this is again b minus a into b plus a formula plus b common b minus a. So again from here I will take b minus a common. So I will get minus this one b minus a it was, so again minus common I will take. So a minus b and a plus twice b. So this thing it will become minus, in here one minus it is there, okay, minus a minus b the whole square a plus twice b, and this will be what, this will be less than 0 because this is positive, this is positive, so therefore this will be less than 0 because minus sign there. So since this is less than 0, so therefore I can say that this one what I have taken, this is, it will be less than 0. So this thing I will send it this side. So I will get 3ab square less than a cube plus twice b cube. That means a cube plus twice b cube is greater than 3ab square. Okay. Next I will go to number 9 I will go. Okay. Next I will go to number 9. Number 9, which is greater, a cube or a square plus a plus 2, a greater than 0, a not equals to 2. Okay, which is greater, this or this. So again in here same thing I will do, I will take it as a cube minus a square plus a plus 2. So this is a cube minus a square minus a minus 2. Now in here you see a cube minus a square. I can write it as 2a square plus a square. Okay, and minus a, I can write it as minus twice a plus a minus 2. From here a square common if I take, I will get a minus 2, a common, a minus 2 plus 1 common, a minus 2. So from here I can take a minus 2 common, a square plus a plus 1 I will get. Okay, so now in here you see a minus 2, this one I can write it as a square plus 2 into a into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1. Okay, this one I can write it as a square. A I can write it as 2 into a into 1 by 2. To cut, ultimately a only I will get. Okay, and this is plus 1 by 2 the whole square I will give by myself. Okay, plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So since this one I have given by myself, so therefore again minus 1 by 2 the whole square. With this one it will cut, ultimately I will get this one. So what I am doing here, it is that this one, you see I brought it into formula. This one it will become a minus 2. This is a plus 1 by 2 the whole square. This one it will become minus 1 by 4 plus 1. So a minus 2, this is a plus 1 by 2 the whole square. This will be plus 4 minus 1 plus 4. Okay, so this is equals to this one, you see I'm doing it in here, is equals to this one I will get a minus 2, this is a plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus this one it will be 3 by 4. Okay, this one it will be 3 by 4. Okay, so now in here you see this one I got. Yes, so now in here I will write since a greater than 0. Okay, since a greater than 0 already given, since a greater than 0, so therefore this part it will be positive. A plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 by 4, this will be greater than 0. This part it will be positive. Okay, so you see this part a greater than 0 there, and a is not equals to 2. So if a minus 2, okay, a minus 2 is greater than 0, that is a greater than 2. Okay, in here means what I have got, this thing I got. Now I show that since a is greater than 0, so your this part it will be positive, this part it will be positive. Okay, so now if a minus 2 is positive, if a minus 2 is positive, that means this whole thing will be greater than 0. Okay, if a minus 2 is positive, that means this whole thing it will be greater than 0. Then I can say that this one greater than 0. But if a minus 2 is less than 0, okay, a minus 2 is less than 0, that means it is a negative number. Then negative number into positive number, it will be a negative number. That means this whole thing it will be less than 0, and this whole thing it will be less than 0. Understand? So therefore now one confirm I got that this part it will be positive only, this part will be positive. So therefore if a minus 2 is greater than 0, okay, if a minus 2 is greater than 0, that is if a greater than 0, then this one a cube, Okay, a cube will be greater than a square plus a plus 2. Okay, and if a minus 2 is less than 0, that is a less than 2, then a cube will be less than a square plus a plus 2. This much only. Understand? So therefore this one, you see, I solved it, and at last I got this expression. Now from this expression, the second expression, it will be positive since a greater than 0, so therefore this will be positive. A plus 1 by 2 the whole square, there, this will be positive number plus 3 by 4, so this thing, it will be positive. Now if a minus 2 is greater than 0, okay, then this whole thing will be greater than 0. So therefore I can say that a cube will be greater than a square plus a plus 2. And if a minus 2 is less than 0, that is a less than 2, then a cube will be less than a square plus a plus 2. Okay. Next I will go to question number 10. Okay, next I will go to question number 10. So question number 10 again, which is greater, a cube minus 3a square b or b cube minus 3ab square? Which is greater? So solution, you see again, I will take it in this way, a cube minus 3a square b minus b cube minus 3ab square. Now this thing I will solve it, and if I can show that this is greater than 0, then this will be greater than this, and if this is less than 0, then this will be less than this. Okay, so now in here, a cube minus 3a square b minus b cube plus 3ab square. Okay, so this one, you see, a cube, okay, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, if I take common, then I will get a minus b, I will get, and this is the formula of a minus b the whole cube. Okay, this is the formula of a minus b the whole cube. Okay, now you see here, I can say that since, now this is greater than 0 or not, that one I will see. Since a comma b greater than 0, so therefore I can say that a minus b will be greater than 0. Okay, so therefore a minus b the whole cube, it will be also greater than 0 only. Okay, a minus b, it will be greater than 0. Okay, so a minus b also, it will be greater than 0 only. Okay, so therefore I can say that a cube minus 3a square b minus b cube minus 3ab square, it will be greater than, since this one greater than 0, so I can say that this is greater than 0. Okay, so therefore a cube minus 3a square b will be greater than b cube minus 3ab square, and this is our proof.